Hello everyone, welcome back. Hi, it's really good to have you here again. Today, we're keeping things simple and useful. Yeah, we're going to talk about something you already do every single day. Your daily routine. From morning to night. And while we talk, you'll naturally pick up common verbs and everyday English. So just relax, listen, and try to connect it with your own day. And if you want, you can share your routine too in the comments. Yeah, we'd love to read it. Hey, have you ever noticed how much English you actually use just to talk about your day? Yeah, it's interesting. Even simple things like waking up or eating breakfast, they're all part of everyday English. Exactly. And today, let's just talk about that, your daily routine. Nothing complicated, just real life. Sounds good. Let's start from the beginning, the morning. Alright. So, what's the first thing you do in the morning? I usually wake up around 6:30. Not always, but I try. That's early. I wake up around 7 o'clock. Not too early, not too late. After waking up, I get out of bed, sometimes slowly. Same here. Then I go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, wash my face. Yeah, those small habits, we do them every day without thinking. After that, I go to the kitchen. What do you usually have? Something simple. Coffee and toast. Sometimes fruit, like an apple or a banana. Nice. I usually have tea and cereal. Then comes getting dressed, choosing what to wear. And if you're going out, shoes, maybe a coat. Right. And then, leaving the house. Where do you usually go? To work. I work in an office. I sometimes work from home, but sometimes I go out too. So your morning routine is pretty similar then? Yeah, wake up, get ready, eat breakfast, get dressed, and start the day. Now let's talk about the daytime, work hours. Okay. What do you usually do at work? I sit at my desk, work on my computer, answer emails, write reports. That sounds familiar. I do similar things, especially when working from home. Do you have meetings? Sometimes, mostly online meetings. Yeah, same. Meetings are just part of work life. And then, lunchtime. My favorite part of the day. What do you usually eat? Something light. Maybe a sandwich, or I go out to eat. I usually keep it simple too, a sandwich or salad. After lunch, back to work again. Until the day ends. So, what happens after work? Honestly, the best part. I go home. That feeling, when you're finally done for the day. Exactly. Sometimes I just sit on the sofa and relax, maybe watch TV. That sounds perfect. I also cook dinner sometimes. What do you like to cook? Simple things, pasta, soup, nothing too complicated. Same here. Easy meals after a long day. After dinner, I usually wash the dishes. Not the most exciting part of the day. Definitely not. But it has to be done. Then I might read something, or talk to friends or family. I like that. I sometimes go for a walk in the evening. That's a good habit. Or just listen to something relaxing. And before bed? Brush my teeth again, and then go to bed. Same. I usually try to sleep around 10:30 or 11. I'm a little later, maybe 11:30. Still reasonable. So if you think about it, your whole day is full of simple actions. Wake up, get ready, eat, work, relax, and sleep. And these are exactly the kinds of phrases you need when learning English. Because they're real. You use them every day. If you want to practice, just try describing your own day in English. From morning to night. Even simple sentences are enough. You can say things like, I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast. I go to work. And slowly, it becomes natural. You don't need perfect English. You just need to start. And keep going, little by little. So, what does your day look like? Think about it, and try to say it in English. Even right now. So, that was a simple look at a typical day. Yeah, nothing complicated, just real-life English. Hopefully, it felt easy to follow. And maybe even a little familiar. If you try describing your own day like this, it really helps. Even small sentences are enough. And over time, it becomes natural. If you enjoyed this, you can stay connected with Fluenzo English for more simple conversations like this. And if you want, share your daily routine in the comments. We'd love to see how you describe your day. Alright then. Take care, keep practicing. And we'll see you next time. Bye. Bye.